Hey there, parents. Today we're diving into how to get your kids started with dirt biking, safely, smartly, and in a way that'll keep them coming back for more. Let's kick things off with the biggest question. When can my kids start? Well, the awesome news is that children as young as 3 or 4 can begin their dirt biking journey. But here's the key. Start with electric dirt bikes. They're quieter, lighter, and perfect for tiny riders. Now let's talk safety, because that's what keeps us parents up at night, right? Your shopping list needs to include a proper dirt bike helmet. And no, a bicycle helmet won't cut it. You'll also need motocross boots, a chest protector, goggles, gloves, and protective clothing. Think of it as their superhero suit. It needs to be complete. When it comes to choosing their first bike, here's the progression that works best. Start with electric bikes, or 50cc with training wheels for the little ones. As they grow, move up to regular 50cc bikes, then 65cc, and eventually 85cc. Remember, it's not a race to get to the bigger bikes. It's about mastering each level. Let's talk about where to practice. Your backyard might be tempting, but start with flat, straight dirt roads. Think of it like teaching them to ride a bicycle. You wouldn't start on a mountain trail, right? Once they've got the basics down, move to open fields where they can practice turns without worrying about obstacles. Here's a pro tip that many parents miss. Focus on one skill at a time. Start with basic controls: throttle, brakes, and balance. Celebrate every small win, whether it's their first successful start or their first proper turn. Remember, confidence is built one small victory at a time. As they progress, you've got options. Maybe they'll love motocross racing, or perhaps trail riding will be their thing. Some kids even get into enduro riding or trials. The key is letting them discover what excites them most. Now, here's something crucial: proper training. Consider enrolling them in structured courses with qualified instructors. They'll learn things we might not think about, like trail etiquette and emergency stopping techniques. Before I wrap up, I've got an exciting tip for you. If you're looking to get started right away, head over to riiru.com. They've got an amazing selection of kids' dirt bikes and all the safety gear you need to get rolling. Plus, their expert team can help you choose the perfect bike for your little rider's age and skill level. Remember, getting your kids into dirt biking isn't just about the sport. It's about building confidence, teaching responsibility, and creating amazing family memories. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out riiru.com for everything you need to get started.